Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another HWM video. We've got an incredible car to look at today. This is a brand new 22 Model Year Vantage that has just arrived from the factory. So straight away you'll see it has this incredible paint finish. It's satin jet black, so that is a factory paint finish. And it's got some beautiful dark details to go with this incredible paint job. First of all, we've got a lower gloss black pack, so you've just got this contrast of gloss at the back to go as a slight finish contrast to the satin finish, and then the dark black badges, so it just looks so mean from the back, and then factory privacy glass as well, so it's the full dark finish from the rear. And then looking at it from the side, straight away, these wheels, these are a new 22 model year option. It's a 21-inch alloys. Dark surround to the window. And then you've got carbon fibre detailing. So first of all, carbon fibre mirrors, and then these beautiful carbon fibre side gills on the front wing. Again, just giving that lovely bit of contrast. Behind those wheels, black brake calipers and black wheel centres. And then on the bonnet, again, more carbon vents, just to give it a really mean look. So just panning out a bit, you can see we've got the Predator style front grille. So that's the one based on the Vulcan, which was the inspiration for the front end of Vantage. A rare but incredible car. And again, you can see the dark front bonnet badge completing the dark look. However, this car has a bit of a surprise. You might just be able to see it through the window already. So it's super dark on the outside. It looks incredibly mean. Vantage is a very wide car as well. But on the inside, when you open up, what you are greeted with is this special order Californian poppy leather with Alcantara seat centres. So as I just going to adjust here to pan round so you can have a look at the cabin. You can see the Aston Martin wings there. This beautiful Californian poppy bringing alive the centre cabin, an Alcantara steering wheel, and then it's got the carbon fibre interior pack. So this first of all gives you carbon on the doors. It's beautifully finished here. All of the dark jewellery pack, so this could be silver, but on this it's dark. Carbon vent surrounds on the instrument binnacle. I love this steering wheel. It's a wonderful steering wheel in Alcantara. More carbon on the centre console and around the vents. So it's got a really sporty finish. And all of this Californian poppy detailing, even the little pad here, if you can make it out, just under the steering wheel where your leg goes against the centre console with the Californian poppy stitching. So it's a beautiful place to be. So there's the cabin. And finally, we'll have a look in the boot. Having just arrived from the factory, first of all, you can peer through the centre of the cabin. You can see the Californian poppy rear to those seats. There's a divider there that actually cuts down cabin noise and gives you a separate shelf behind the seats to load soft luggage. Here's a few of the bits that have come from the factory, so if I get those out of the way. Vantage actually has a huge boot, so this is a great car for doing long distance trips into Europe or even just a weekend away. You can pack a lot of soft luggage into the back of this car. Let's shut that again. So there we have it, a brand new 22 model year Aston Martin Vantage. Looks super dark and mean. One of the questions that often comes up with these satin paint finishes, so it's a factory satin paint finish. The best way to look after a car like this is to get it film protected, so you can get it film protected and still have that satin finish, but you don't need to worry about the colour in the same way. So that would definitely be our advice. But this is an incredible looking car for somebody. Thanks for watching.